I'm looking for a super efficient way to deploy my Flask application. A friend mentioned something about Bjoern. What is it?
Bjoern is a small and very fast WSGI server for Python. It's known for its speed and efficiency, making it a great choice for deploying web applications written with frameworks like Flask.
Interesting. How does it compare to more common servers like Unicorn?
Bjoern is significantly faster than traditional WSGI servers like Unicorn or WSGI, especially for high concurrency workloads. It's built on top of libEv, a high-performance event loop, and is very lightweight.
How would I go about deploying a Flask app with Bjoern?
It's quite simple. First, you need to install Bjoern. You can do this using pip. Then, you just need to pass your Flask app object to Bjoern's run method. Here's a basic example. This will start your Flask app on port 8000.
That seems easy enough. But what about configuration? Does Bjoern offer the same flexibility as Unicorn or WSGI?
Bjoern is designed to be simple and efficient, so it doesn't have as many configuration options as Unicorn or WSGI. However, it does support basic settings like choosing the host and port, enabling SSL, and setting the number of threads.
I see. What about security and stability? Is Bjoern a good choice for production?
Bjoern is very stable, and many have used it in production environments. However, it's important to remember that Bjoern, being a minimal server, doesn't handle things like load balancing, process management, or security features like larger servers do. You might want to use it behind a reverse proxy like Nginx for a production setup.
Got it. And how does Bjoern handle concurrent requests?
Bjoern itself is synchronous, meaning it handles one request at a time per worker. But because it's so fast, this is often sufficient for many applications. For handling high concurrency, you can run multiple instances of Bjoern behind a load balancer.
That makes sense. Lastly, can Bjoern only work with WSGI apps, or can it also support ASGI?
Bjoern is specifically designed for WSGI applications. If you have an ASGI application, you would need to use an ASGI server like Unicorn or Hypercorn.
Thank you for the information. This gives me a good starting point to explore using Bjoern for my projects.
You're welcome. Remember, while Bjoern is great for certain use cases due to its speed, make sure it fits your application's requirements, especially if you need more complex features or configurations.